We are more than just flesh and bone. Our existence transcends the physical realm, reaching into the depths of the unseen and the intangible. We are complex beings with an intricate tapestry of energy woven into our very essence. This energy is not just a part of us, it is us, defining our very nature and existence. This tapestry is our soul, and it exists across four distinct but interconnected bodies: the emotional, the physical, the mental, and the spiritual. Each of these bodies interacts with the others, creating a harmonious balance that defines our overall state of being. Each body plays a vital role in our overall well-being, and just as a physical wound can cause pain, so too can wounds to our emotional, mental, or spiritual bodies. These wounds can manifest in various ways, affecting our thoughts, feelings, and even our physical health. Imagine a vibrant, shimmering light that represents your soul in its purest form. This light is a symbol of your true essence, untainted and radiant. This light is meant to flow freely through each of your four bodies, illuminating every aspect of your being. When this light flows without obstruction, we experience a sense of wholeness and peace. However, life is not always easy. Challenges and obstacles often arise, testing our resilience and strength. We experience joys and sorrows, triumphs and defeats. These experiences shape us, adding depth and complexity to our soul's tapestry. It is often in the face of adversity that our light becomes dimmed, and fragments of our soul retreat to protect themselves from further pain. This retreat is a natural response, a way for our soul to shield itself from the harshness of the world. Yet, it is through healing and self-discovery that we can reignite this light, allowing it to shine brightly once more. By nurturing each of our four bodies, we can restore balance and harmony, embracing the full spectrum of our being. Trauma, in its many forms, can shatter the delicate equilibrium of our four bodies. It can be sudden and unexpected, or it can build up over time, slowly eroding our sense of self and stability. A sudden loss, a betrayal of trust, or a period of intense stress can all lead to fragmentation. These experiences can leave us feeling as though the ground has been pulled out from under us, leaving us in a state of free fall. When these events occur, it's as if a piece of our soul breaks away, taking with it a part of our wholeness. This loss can be deeply unsettling, leaving us to grapple with a sense of incompleteness. We might feel numb, disconnected, or unable to fully engage with life. This disconnection can manifest in various ways, from a lack of interest in activities we once enjoyed to a feeling of being emotionally distant from those we care about. Each body experiences this fragmentation differently. The emotional body might be overwhelmed with feelings of sadness or anger, while the mental body might be plagued with confusion and doubt. The emotional body might become flooded with anxiety or fear, while the mental body struggles to focus or make decisions. This can make even the simplest tasks feel insurmountable, adding to our sense of frustration and helplessness. The physical body might manifest illness or chronic pain, and the spiritual body might feel a sense of emptiness or a disconnect from something greater than ourselves. This spiritual void can leave us searching for meaning and purpose, often in places where it cannot be found. These fragments, much like shards of glass, can lodge themselves within our being, creating blockages that prevent the free flow of energy. These blockages can hinder our ability to heal and move forward, trapping us in a cycle of pain and suffering. We may find ourselves repeating unhealthy patterns in relationships, struggling with addictions, or feeling a constant sense of unease. These behaviors are often attempts to fill the void left by our fragmented soul, but they only serve to deepen our wounds. These are often signs that our soul is fragmented, yearning for wholeness and healing. The journey to reclaim these lost pieces is not easy, but it is essential for our overall well-being. Through self-reflection, therapy, and spiritual practices, we can begin to mend the fractures within us and restore our sense of wholeness. The concept of reincarnation suggests that we live multiple lives, each one a new opportunity for growth and evolution. Each lifetime offers us a chance to learn new lessons, to heal old wounds, and to evolve spiritually. It's a cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, where our soul continues its journey towards enlightenment. However, if we haven't addressed the fragmentation from past experiences, these wounds can follow us into our next life. These unresolved issues can create emotional and psychological baggage that we carry with us, affecting our current life in ways we might not even realize. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack filled with rocks from every difficult experience you've ever had. Each rock represents a trauma, a heartbreak, or a significant challenge that you haven't fully processed or healed from. That's what it's like to carry unhealed soul fragments. These fragments weigh us down, making it harder to move forward and fully embrace the present moment. These fragments can manifest as fears, phobias, or even physical ailments that seem to have no logical explanation in this lifetime. They can disrupt our sleep, cause unexplained pain, and create emotional turmoil. For example, a fear of water might stem from a past life experience of drowning. This fear can be so intense that it affects our ability to enjoy activities like swimming or even being near water. Or a chronic back problem could be connected to a past life injury. This pain might persist despite medical treatment, as its root cause lies in a previous existence. These echoes from the past can hold us back from experiencing the fullness of our present life. By acknowledging and healing these soul fragments, we can release the burdens of the past and step into a future filled with potential and freedom. The journey to wholeness begins with awareness. We must first acknowledge that fragmentation exists and be willing to embark on the path of healing. This path is not always easy, but it is a journey worth taking. Meditation and hypnosis can be powerful tools on this journey. Meditation, with its focus on stillness and breath, allows us to quiet the noise of the outside world and connect with our inner selves. It helps us access those fragmented parts of ourselves, offering them compassion and understanding. Hypnosis, on the other hand, allows us to access the subconscious mind, where many of these fragments reside. Through hypnosis, we can begin to understand the root cause of our pain and release the emotional charge associated with it. Honoring the physical, a temple for the soul. Our physical bodies are not separate from our souls. They are the vessels that carry our souls through this lifetime. Therefore, caring for our physical bodies is an essential part of soul healing. When we nourish our bodies with healthy food, engage in regular exercise, and prioritize rest and relaxation, we create a harmonious environment for our souls to heal and thrive. Every cell in our body holds memory, and by treating our physical selves with love and respect, we signal to our souls that they are safe and cherished. This, in turn, can facilitate the release of trapped energy and allow the fragments to begin their journey back to wholeness. The power within, healing through intention and belief. Healing is not something that happens to us. It is something we actively participate in. It requires conscious effort, unwavering belief, and a deep-seated intention to heal. We must choose to forgive ourselves and others, to release the pain of the past, and to embrace the beauty of the present moment. When we approach healing with intention, we align ourselves with the powerful forces of the universe that support our transformation. Belief is equally important, for it is our unwavering faith in our ability to heal that gives us the strength to continue on the journey, even when the path is challenging. A journey of many lives, embracing the path to wholeness. The journey to wholeness is not a linear one. There will be times of great progress and moments of seeming setbacks. It is important to remember that healing is a process, and it unfolds in its own time. Be patient with yourself, and trust that with each step you take, you are moving closer to the light of your true essence. Each lifetime offers us new opportunities to heal and grow. We may not be able to erase the pain of the past entirely, but we can choose to learn from it, to transmute it into wisdom, and to emerge from the experience stronger and more resilient than before. The tapestry of healing, weaving together the threads of the soul. As we heal the fragments of our souls, we begin to weave together the disparate threads of our being. The emotional body finds balance, the mental body clarity, the physical body vitality, and the spiritual body a renewed sense of purpose and connection. We begin to experience life with a vibrancy and joy that we may have never thought possible. This process of integration is not about becoming perfect. It is about embracing all aspects of ourselves, the light and the shadow, the pain and the joy. It is about recognizing that our wholeness lies in our willingness to embrace the entirety of our being. The light within. Embracing the radiance of a healed soul. Imagine once again that radiant light that represents your soul. As you heal the fragments and integrate the lessons of your past, this light grows brighter, shining its warmth and radiance on every aspect of your life. You move through the world with a newfound sense of peace, purpose, and joy. This is the power of healing your fragmented soul. It is a journey of self-discovery, compassion, and unwavering belief in the power of your own light. Embrace the journey and allow your soul to shine brightly in all its glory.